Estamos aquí en donde este es un train depot. Entonces vamos a montarnos en este tren. Dígame. Arriba.
Bike. There's a bike to the rail.
I know, there's a bike to the rail. Yeah.
That's a train.
Yeah, that is the train.
It's humongous though.
It is humongous, yeah. And you see what you do with this thing here? They put this thing.
Nobody will follow
They
them.
put this bike on the rail, and then you can ride a bike on the rail. What do you think about that, huh?
That's cool.
Yeah, that is really cool.
That's the train.
Yeah.
It's humongous.
Humongous, this train.
No. Hey, Babu, guess what? Pies can say, I'm the biggest, and they see that.
Yeah.
They say, that's the biggest.
That's the biggest, yeah. Yeah.
You know what's crazy?
What's crazy?
Yesterday we were on a boat, everything was great. Then 1 hour later, it was time. We were soaked.
Blues, yeah. It started raining.
Hey, you wearing your witch hat?
Yeah. I made my witch hat.
Take off it.
Take it off? Okay. You want to wear it? Here, you wear it.
It's pretty big.
Yeah.
Babu, I think the train's gonna move.
Oh, all aboard. That's what they're saying. Let's go.
Yeah, we're going on.
Yeah.
Look. Dad!
Yes.
Which way, that way?
This way.
Oh.
So eventually we got on the train and, picture taking. Everybody was getting on the train. And the kids were having a blast because they really didn't know what was going to happen. So this ride on the train is put out by Belfast and Moosehead Lake Railroad. I'll put a link down below so you can see it. This was called the train robbery. They have many other ones also that are worthy to check out. But in the meantime, this is what we're going to do. The kids were happy, they were having fun, they were jumping around, and then the conductor came on with an announcement.
At all times. Also, don't switch cars when the train's moving. We're going to stop a couple times, but and you can switch cars then, but don't do it when we're moving. And just make sure to remain seated when we're starting and stopping, because on occasion the train does bump and lurch out of the station. When I say on occasion, I mean every time, so make sure you remain seated. And should the train experience a sudden loss of pressure, oxygen mask will drop automatically. Mask over your nose and mouth. Choose to breathe normally. Though the bag may not inflate, you'll still be receiving oxygen. In the event of a water landing, we do have flotation devices located beneath each seat. Make sure you're wearing it. Just making sure you're paying attention. Neither of those last two things will be happening, but it's always good to be prepared, so just thought I'd mention it. So, sit back, relax, enjoy your train ride. Leaving here in about 3 minutes now.
Very good. Well, eventually the train started moving. The kids were looking out the window. They were very happy that the train was moving because that's what we were there for. That train was really loud. It made a lot of noise. It's an old train. There was some work being done on the tracks, and then there was an announcement from the people that the track people were fine.
What do you think about the train, Eli?
But then Eli came up with a story.
Where are we going?
Down the train track.
Down the train track.
Where are we going?
Yeah.
Far, far away.
Train goes on the train track. They cannot go anywhere else.
Trains in Vietnam have like the cabins that you can sit six.
Yeah, so we had a cabin that we shared with 2 other guys, American professors of all things. Yeah. Yeah, who were...
It was a story about the talking train.
Yeah.
It was a story about the talking train.
Oh.
Yeah, it was interesting.
I don't remember the name again. It was a he.
That was a cool. It's
I don't remember the name.
Yeah.
It sounds
That's how
like
it was. Yeah, you board at night, and then, yeah.
my
Yeah.
This train runs along
We're gonna be close to
lake. I guess it's called Moose Lake. The train only goes two ways. It goes like 30 minutes down the track and another 30 minutes back up the track. So we started enjoying the view. There's houses on the along the railroad tracks, but I don't think that's a big deal because this is the only train that passes by there. Supposedly, this track went all the way to Belfast and then back to Union. That's where we were. There you can see Moose Lake. In Union, of course, that's where the train depot is. But this train is used for this type of attractions. So Moose Lake is a fine lake.
My pants got a little bit wet, so when we got back to the road and the sidewalk, we take our big pants and then underwear.
What? No way.
But we were eating in the cow picnic. I didn't feel bad breakfast. That's all I ate.
What kind of boat was it?
It was like a little tiny boat. Had little dogs in it. Had big tails.
Yeah?
And the captain was a boy. He was sailing the boat. He was moving it.
Do you sail it good?
Yeah. And he was going slow.
He was going slow.
And it towed it away. So that's why I went under the green blanket.
Oh.
That was his blanket.
Oh, that's nice.
That's why I went under. So I don't get wet.
So I don't know if you caught on to a lie story. The story is that they the day before they went on a boat ride. They got on a sailboat in Belfast, and then as soon as they went out, it started raining, and they got wet. So that's the story that Ally had to say. They had to, both kids. They didn't have it. They have life jackets and things like that, but they didn't have anything else. So they had to go down below, and then Andy and Jihi got really wet. So that's the story that Ally was telling there. But very soon the train robbery is going to start.
Oh, we're gonna
Ladies and
give it
gentlemen, we're being
mine.
robbed. Everyone stand down. Yes. Don't want any brave people on this train get shot.
How you doing?
This is all for charity. The Travis Mills Foundation. All the donations go there.
So the Waldo Station band gang is the one that does the train robbery. The Waldo Station gang is these guys that you see here, and they'll be robbing the train. But the Travis Mills Foundation is the charity that they support, and they support veterans and their families through long-term programs that help them overcome physical obstacles, strengthen their families, and provide well-deserved rest and relaxation. As you can see, it was a lot of fun. People took pictures with the robbers, and then when they started coming out of the train, what happened was that there were two sheriffs in the train, and the two sheriffs tried to get the robbers to put them in jail, but then one of the robbers grabbed a girl, and then she took it as hostage. So the girl was taken as hostage while the guys were trying to get off the train. And there she is, poor little girl. Oh, she's getting out of the train with the robbers. What do you think about that?
I got a hostage here.
Take her. You can take my sister. Sally. Take her. She got more money. Leave the little shit. Take her.
Back off.
Come on, you guys. Say.
It's a gunfight. Yeah.
Can't see him. Go to the next side.
This guy is here.
I'll be trying it.
Got away with all of our money, actually.
All right.
Good job, guys.
Very good. Yeah. Saved us. Who are you? Are you the sheriff? Or who are you? Who are you?